Alright guys, we're on our way to another service call. No heating, so let's see what's going on there. Alright guys, so we're at the service call. No heat. Found inducer motor seized up. The inducer motor had a bird inside of it, so we took that outside the house. So we're gonna get we got the new motor, so now we're just gonna install the new motor and call it a day. Hopefully everything else is good with it, and the customer doesn't really want to spend too much money on the system. He just wants it to get up and running, so that's what we're gonna do for him. New motor, same exact day. And let's get the thing installed. Alright, so we got the brand new motor right here. So we just gotta get it mounted up there. Two screws, reinstall the pressure switch properly, fire it up and see what happens. Hopefully everything goes good and no other issues with the unit. Alright guys, so we got the new motor mounted, flue piping all connected again, electrical connections back done. So let's see what happens now. It's still jumpered. Now we got the motor back on. Hopefully we got ignition. Now we're just waiting for the lower motor to kick back on. Alright guys, so we got the new inducer installed. Just check the amperage real quick. Running about, let's see. About 0.6 amps, and the motor is rated for, I believe, like 1 amp, something like that. It's within range. So if you guys need any heating or air conditioning help, there's a phone call at 908-476-8929. Servicing Bucks County, PA, and surrounding areas. Always make note of what happens at the car. So if anybody comes in the future, you know, they'll be able to know what exactly happened. But she's up and running and customers are going to be happy. Yep. Alright guys, take care.